Simon Fanatic, Joe
And we continue. And now I have this opportunity to pass it to what I feel is the future quarterback of the Green Bay Packers, Jordan Love. I've said it before, he deserves it. And so now it's time for the legend that I think and I know that he will become. It's to pass the torch to him. Donald's walking away from the softball game. It's officially it's retirement. So I'm done with it.
Like I said, I mean, just the tradition of the softball game. You know, since I've been here, I've seen pictures of guys way back when playing in this, so it's awesome. And you know, to get it from a legend like this for him, like he said, when he hit me up when I first got drafted, and he's been in my ear, he's had my number, and he's been hitting me up. It's awesome to have a legend like that, just supporting you and you know, there with you through your own journey. And now us both sitting up here playing this softball game. Might be his last. If he plays good, he might have to come back out next year. We'll see. But no, it's awesome. So I'm blessed to be here.